What is up, guys? Today we're back with a science experiment. We're going to be teaching you how to make a cool little gadget. Okay, so first we have our milk. Okay, then next you're just going to add a dollop of food coloring. Just a little bit. Make it all around. Okay. Then you want to get a tiny little straw to just mix it up a bit. Okay. Next, you're going to add a little bit of soap. Watch this craziness. Look at that. Look at that. That is incredible. That is nuts. The soap has a chemical reaction to the food coloring plus the milk, and it is just exquisite. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I ask you to like and subscribe the video. Come back to us next time. See ya.